guys, welcome back to Miss Skinny TV. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Karan, and this is the second day now in Ireland, and we're going to pick up a few things at the grocery store.
Yeah. They don't sell regular water bottles like in America.
Yeah, I see that. So this is what? 6? Wow. And their 7-Up is clear? Clear soda.
Yeah, they have different flavors.
Yo, I haven't had one of these since Jamaica.
You have Lucas in Jamaica?
Yes. Wow. Well, all right. Learn something new. Cool Ranch. That's what I was figuring. And then this one is what? The Sweet Heat, like the purple one? Yeah. Since we had a long drive ahead of us, we decided to stop at McDonald's after going to the supermarket to get a few things. Every McDonald's in every country, the menu is a little bit different. They have more options or less options than others. So we decided to check out what their menu had to offer. I haven't been to McDonald's in a long time. Like, it's been a few years since the last time I willingly went to a McDonald's. But I noticed that they have the McPlant, and for those of you that know me, I try to live a vegan, vegetarian type of lifestyle. So I decided to give it a try.
It's cold though.
Alright, so I got the 3-piece chicken select. The brownie, they probably been made in this sitting out. Got the McPlant. Oh, you know what? I didn't check to see if it had like stuff I don't like.
Oh yeah, they made it this morning.
Yeah.
They put the time on the bag.
Oh, yeah. Alright, so this is what's inside. I gotta take them pickles off because I'm not eating that. Oh, there's ketchup on the sandwich. Okay, tomato, cheese, the patty. The patty looked like a Boca burger, honestly. Ooh, dang, making a mess. Oops. Dang, there's mad lettuce on the floor. Alright, hold on. It might be a Boca burger, honestly. They got... Oh, there's mayonnaise on here, too. Okay, already hand sanitizing my hands. Hello, girl. Not the bread feeling like rubber. Oh yeah, no. This is definitely like a griller or a Boca burger. It's definitely what it's giving. I don't know if that is what it is exactly, but I think that's what it is. Let's see the packaging. It's alright though. Although I probably should have took off the cheese. Now I think about it. My stomach is about to be rumbling. Yeah, let me take off this slice of cheese. The sandwich is alright. I could have made this at home, made it taste better. I give it like a 7 out of 10. So we found Broccoli Low. So it says you are here. So we're right here. So randomly we're driving by, and decided to pull over because we saw how pretty this lake is. So Ireland has a lot of sheep. Like, this is not even in comparison to the amount of sheep that we saw driving through Ireland. Ireland is very big in the wool industry, so you will definitely see a lot of sheep as you're driving through the countryside. So after about 2 hours of driving, we finally made it to our destination at the Lough Eske Castle, which is a restored 17th century castle with a spa, indoor pool, and restaurant. Dining area. All right, welcome to our second place, our second home for this trip. This is the room. We got desks once you walk right in. I don't know what that door is for, but then we have our table. We have the side table with still and sparkling water. Then you got our beds, stuff's already on there, and then we got the safe, mini fridge, TV with the Wi-Fi information, hotel services, weather, all that good stuff, mirror, little side table, it's the bathroom, got the closet with the robes and shoes. And here's the bathroom. There's a tub. Then they got the shower. And the bathroom. Or a toilet, I should say. And then the sinks. Oh yeah, and the heated towel rack. So this is the room. So after checking into our room and putting our stuff down, we decided to walk around the grounds just to take a look and see what this castle has to offer. They did a lot of additions and added buildings to the grounds for different rooms and suites, and then we decided to walk over to the spa and wellness center, which has a pool and has things called an infinity pool, or like a whirlpool, hot tub, and they have a steam room, sauna, and other amenities as well. Oh, like for skincare.
Yeah. 67 euros.
They even have bikes.
Oh yeah, I read that you can rent these. Well, not rent, it's actually complimentary.
Oh wow.
You just let them know at the front and you can ride it around on the trail.
There's a trail?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh yeah, I think so. That ain't Tupac.
Oh my gosh, it is.
All right. And that's John. Is it John Lennon? Is that his name? Yeah. That's it for the second castle hotel that we stayed at. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment box down below. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.